For the fringes, we need yarn that's about 14 inches. That's 14 inches in length. So we're going to hold 2 strands together, and we're going to pass it through the stitch row. I would advise to place something heavy, maybe some books on top of the shawl to hold it down for when you start twisting. Okay. The resistance will help with that. So when we have here, and we'll pass this through the inside here to hold it. Okay. And once that's done, we'll split it in 2. And you just start to twist the yarn. As you twist, you move your hands backward as well, so that the twist will come out smooth and not scrunched. So just keep twisting and moving your fingers backward as well. And don't forget to have some form of resistance on the other side that's holding the shawl. Or you could hang it over a couch and attach the twisted fringes. So twist and twist and twist and twist until you get to the end. Alright, at the end, I'm not finished enough. I'll just twist it with my hand and I will tie this. Alright, once I tie it, you see that it will uncurl by itself. So this is how you do it all the way across, and when you finish, you trim. You trim so that you have a uniform length. This is kind of like, this is one of the ways braids are made on African hairstyles. We use extensions and we join them, add them to the hair, and we twist them to create twisted braids hairstyle.